As of now, we are going to open with small gap to the upside, which is different from other days we had this week. We had volatile openings, but not with a gap. So this is a slight difference from previous few days. Another thing is overnight inventory isn't trending higher, so this is not that skewed for a correction. However, it is 100% net long. We didn't trade at all below settle, so it is slightly possible for early overnight correction. If anyone was shorting yesterday until the close, now he is at loss, so there might be some margin calls. However, it's not that big of a move from the settle, so it's under 20 points. Well, maybe it is big. So until we can get below pullback low from yesterday, I'm not sure if we can challenge the positive structure, and we can today reach higher prices. I have few scenarios for today. One is that we are going to balance around 3800 area. Another is that we will, once we break above this level, we might drift higher to 30 and 34 or something. That is expected weekly range from last Friday, so this might be an area where we see some responsive selling or initiative selling, maybe. If we break below pullback, well, below overnight low, below pullback low, I should first look for potential excess here to rotate back to the middle, or to start trending if we correct inventory early on and fail, for example, to revisit this high we've made 2 days ago. It is almost as a gap. It's part of the buying tail and pullback low with those single prints. Here we have some slight volume, which is the battle zone from early morning yesterday. If we start building double prints, free TPOs and so on below overnight low, then I think that odds are pretty good that we will revisit this area, and I'd like to enter shorts targeting first this area and then yesterday's low and point of control we had 2 days ago. However, it is not that likely, because then we would have to have an outside day, and the odds aren't that great for an outside day down. If so, we might see some further move to the downside. To the upside, I'm not sure if I can enter longs after filling the gap, because we are going to be in the middle of overnight inventory, so I will probably miss an early move to the upside. However, I am a little bit skewed to the long side today. I think that if we can get distance from this area, we might see a similar day like yesterday, maybe even with late day spike to the upside, because all of those people who shorted from Monday morning after this drop, they might be finally giving up, because we had this news with Georgia runoff, and now after this settled, I think that we might see some positive breath to the market. So overall, I am hoping for similar P-shape look of the profile with a late day spike to the upside, or a timid balancing profile in the middle here. If we are going to break below yesterday's low, I'm not sure about the excessive move we can make from the lows. I don't know, this is really a clueless. I'm clueless if we start trading below below this area, how the profile can develop. Maybe we can build a double distribution and bounce from whatever levels here, but I'm not sure, because we would have a over 50-point range, which is quite possible, but first we would need to break below this level, and until that happens, with acceptance, with volume, I have to play more to the long side.